Hi everybody, Jace Tutorials here, back with another video. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. So in this video we are going to do our GeekBench 4 Pro test on our Lenovo IdeaPad 320S laptop. So this video is going to be the CPU benchmark test. I'm going to make another video for the computer benchmark. So let's get to it. I'm going to turn off my mic and then we're just going to go over the results. Okay, I did speed up the video a little bit so that we don't have to wait too long. So here is our scores. Pretty interesting. So there's a lot to the laptop that I didn't know about. So it's actually one of my first benchmark tests. I'm also going to be using user benchmark in the future as well. So I heard GeekBench Pro 4 was really good, so I got one of those commercial licenses. It's pretty awesome so far. Most of the stuff I'm still trying to understand, to be honest, but feel free to look at the results. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.